Hello, everyone. For those of you who have purchased masks with a ship date of June 5th or June 12th, this hopefully will not apply to you, but if it does, I will let you know as soon as possible. First off, I want to say thank you. I never expected our vision of bringing strategic manufacturing back to the United States to be so well received. I honestly feel humbled. See, we built this company to sell to hospitals and governments, and we did not have plans or systems in place to sell to the general public like you. But when we launched last week, I just felt like people needed to get these in their hands. So I decided at the last minute to add the ability for the general public to buy our masks. And buy you did. In less than 3 days, we sold 1.6 million orders. Incredible, but impossible for us to fulfill in small numbers. For example, it took us a week to even get the shipping supplies and systems in place to put your orders into a box. And without our automated packaging machines, it takes us 10 minutes to pack one order. At this rate, it would take 3,300 hours to pack all of your orders by hand, which is just not possible. We're doing what we can. We are working day and night. It's 7 p.m. as I record this, and some of us are even sleeping at the factory. But we have only been able to send out a few thousand orders. And talking with several of you, I know that you're upset, and quite frankly, I would be very upset too. I'm sorry that we messed up, and look, I cannot fix the past, so here's what I can do for the future. Number one, you can cancel your order at any time for a full refund. In fact, we just added this ability. You can instantly cancel yourself by going to your order status page and choosing the cancel option. You'll get your money back right away. You can find this by clicking on the link in the first email or text confirmation that we sent you. Or if that doesn't work, you can email us info@armbrestusa.com with your order information, and we will try to respond within 24 hours. But just FYI, this week alone, we grew our customer service team by 400%, and we are still behind on processing requests. The second option is that you can cancel now, but subscribe to our email list, which I'll put in the video below, and we will let you know when we are starting to ship out again. The third option is you can stay with us, and we will ship your order in the order that we received the purchase. And by choosing not to cancel, you are choosing to support manufacturing here in the United States. And for those of you who stay, I will personally commit to frequent updates telling you about our progress. And for sticking with us, we will include an extra bonus with every order. In fact, for every 50 masks ordered, we're just going to send an additional 10 as a thank you for being a founding partner of Armbrust American. Look, no matter what you decide, I cannot thank you enough for your support. It's very clear that you are not alone. So many Americans want strategic manufacturing to be successful, and I can tell you that this is really hard. It doesn't just take hard work, it takes guts, and it takes support from people like you. Thank you again, and I hope we can talk soon.